These are the 6 agents that we're getting started with. Otherwise, would have cost more than $500,000 worth of salaries and consultancy fees. We have Pixel, who's the designer. He's going to make sure that everything is pixel perfect, and this is a technology that has only evolved about 2 months ago. So before that, this use case was not even possible. But yeah, at the cutting edge here when it comes to image processing and all of those kind of things, to allow it to really understand what they're looking at. Navi, she's in charge of accessibility and UX. She explores the code as well as the image and understands contrast and all those kind of things. Again, none of this would have been possible less than 2 months ago, really. Then we have Index, the SEO, the AIO now, that is kind of going through the code and the visuals, making sure that everything is nice and clean. Lexi, she's in charge of brand, voice, proofreading, no more lorem ipsums shipped to production. She's there to make sure that everything is there. She knows your brand voice and the target audience, and so and the text that is already on the page to allow you to communicate within context. And really, this is the magic here. Claro is your project manager. He's in charge of making sure that everything is nice and clear, either between you and additional team members or even with clients, but also when communicating with the AI agents. And finally, my favorite guy here is Glitch. He's the front-end developer. He has access to error consoles, network errors, a bunch of different stuff. And this is really the core element of it. They're not just LLMs. They're not just like models that allow you to write. They're literally agents that make decisions, decide which tools they want to invoke, and each one of them, like a human, if I was an SEO professional, I would go to Ahrefs or SEMrush, make some educated decision, do a bit of a keyword research before I come in to advise. And so they all have these different capabilities, each within their respective elements, to go out, make decisions and bring in the information. And maybe in the future and through the work that we'll be doing in the early access, they will even have the ability to take action. And this is really where I think this is all going in the world of MCPs, where they advise and then they also can execute.